Okay, guys, we have done cones, we have done cylinders, and now we are going to work on volume of spheres. My formula for volume of spheres is V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. I want you to be very, very careful with that r cubed because a lot of people switch that and they put r squared instead of r cubed. Okay, we're going to look at this first example up here. And if you notice, this goes halfway across. That is my radius. We've talked about that. You will see that written as a small r. Now, this one goes all the way across, so that's my diameter. And I'm going to write that they gave me the diameter here. With the diameter, all I need is this part right here, which, if you'll recall, is my radius. So I want to make sure that I know that if they give me the diameter, I have to divide by 2 because I only need half of that. Diameter would be written as a D if they wrote it as a letter. This is a little bit easier than cones and cylinders because we don't have a base, so we don't have to find the area of the base. If you notice, we have a formula that says 4/3, and we know that. It gives it to us. We know that pi is 3.14. We know we're going to cube it, so the only thing we have to fill in is our r, which is our radius. So let's look at a couple real quick. We're going to round to the nearest tenth. We're going to say V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. And the reason we do that is because we write our formula every single time. If I look up here, my radius is 2.1 because it goes halfway across, so I don't need to divide. Now we're going to plug it in. V equals 4/3 times 3.14 times, and then we have our r, which is 2.1 cubed. If you throw all that in your calculator, you come up with V equals 38 point. Now it said 77, so we're going to have to change this 7 to an 8, and we have centimeters cubed. And that is my answer. This one is much, much easier, a little less work, so you guys will be happy about that. If I look at this one, notice that it goes all the way across, so that's my diameter, which means that I only need that part right there. And the way we get that is to take our diameter and divide by 2. So that's going to give us a radius of 3.5. Again, I'm writing my formula. V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. And then I'm just filling in. V equals 4/3 times 3.14 times, my r is 3.5 cubed. If I put all that in my calculator just like it looks, I come out to 179.5 centimeters cubed. And that would be my answer. Okay, the reason I didn't go over the calculators is because we do that every day. If you're having trouble putting it in the calculator or you have any questions about that, please come see me during tutoring.